human supports. The system supports both text as well as voice interaction, making it more accessible and user friendly. So for multi-agent architecture, I use the LangGraph. So basically, this LangGraph is supports to the multi-agent, handles the all queries. And for the topics, I've been created appointment creation. If I write create an appointment, like I want to book an appointment. So as you can see, I give the query for appointment booking. So it will ask the details of patient name and ID, doctor departments, reason for visit, and the preferred date that you want, and the contact number. And second is that for my second topic is for the blood donor registration agent. So in this topic, the agent allow users to register as blood donor by providing their personal details and blood group. The information is saved in the donor database. So like if I said to the bot, I want to register myself as a blood donor. So it will gives you asking for some details like your full name, age, gender, your blood group, contact number, email IDs. So after filling these all details, you can register yourself. And yes, this bot is also multi-language support. So wait, let me show you how it works with multi-language. Like I take this a Tamil language. So I just paste it here, hit enter. So basically it supports also in Tamil language. It will ask you for all details. You have to fill the details only in that language. This is the strict language healthcare chatbot. And now my third topic is to doctor specialization identification agent. So basically this agent analyze symptoms and recommend the most suitable medical specialist. For example, chest pain may be directed to your cardiologist. So this type of example it will support. Like I ask, suggest doctor for back pain. So it will take you on to the doctor specialization query classification. So it will ask you tell you the which doctor is most reliable for this symptoms. And my fifth topic is for escalation. Basically, this escalation connects to you the human agent. Like for escalation, if I ask to bot, connect me to a human agent, I hit enter. So for escalation, it will also asking you for details like a patient name or any other things. After filling all these details, it will connect you to the human agent by using a WhatsApp API that I didn't done till here. So after it, I have set reminder. Okay, for set reminder, I use the Google calendar by using the URL to set in my code. So like if I say set a medication reminder and then hit enter, it asks me the medicine dosage, your times, your medicine times, your date start. So if I write as like an aspirin, next I give another detail is for dosage, like I write the 500 mg. Second is for once a day, and then a time like I set at 9:20, so I will keep 9:20 a.m. like today's. And then when you want to start your medicine, like today I said, and then for how many days you need to take the medicine, I said 1 day. and the last is after food. And then now I hit and enter. It starts fix my the reminder. It will take you on the real Google Calendar. Like I click on this, it take you on the Google Calendar, and then click on save. Your medications has been saved here. So you can see the aspirin medication is has been saved in the Google Calendar.